2009 Volvo S80 T6 motor. It's got factory converter there. Then comes a resonator that's a dual in, single out. So we eliminated that. He's going to bring it back for a muffler delete next. And so we have to put a Y pipe on it. And then 2.5 inch pipe. And then it continues 2.5. And then there's the two giant mufflers there and there. He's going to come back and we're going to get those cut off. There's the resonator right there. That's what we cut off. Gigantic resonator. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And we'll put a link in the description for that Y pipe if you guys want that Y pipe. There it is. That's how you do a resonator delete on these. Volvo S80 T6 all-wheel drive. Definitely needs a muffler delete. Again, sound decibels 86. Go ahead and back it up. What you guys hear on the inside? Volvo S80. And I love the window sticker, financial mistake.